delicious conch and seafood mixed soup? Well, if this is something of your interest, continue watching. So big respect to all my returning supporters. I appreciate you guys a lot. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome. My name is Nicola. I'm the owner of Nicola Yardstyle Cooking. So if you want to see more or want to hear more from this voice, just continue watching. Tap the subscribe button and put your notification bell. In that way, you never miss a video. So here we have our conch. This was already cleaned. I have a video of me cleaning conch. I'll link that in the iCard. And we're just going to slice these, wash with vinegar, and put to marinate in the fridge until when it's time to use. So just continue watching, guys, and I'll come back when there's another step to be explained. So this is our soup starter. We have pumpkin, a bit of carrot, some celery, that's optional, and potato and garlic. This will be our soup starter. So we're just going to cut these according to our likings and add them to our pot. Our pot is already on the fire with water coming to a boil. So we're just going to add these so they can cook and start to give the soup a little color. Okay, this is the starter for the soup base. So here I'm just going to add these to the pot, cover, and allow to cook for 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll come back when there's another step to be explained. Moving along, here I have my dumpling dough plus some extra pumpkin potatoes. I also have some carrot and I'm going to put some okra as well. So this is all the stuff that I'll be adding to the soup in a bit, okay? So we just cut the head of the okra and cut in 2 or 3 depending on the size. I also season some fish head, and that's totally optional. So now we're just going to stir our pot. This is after 20 minutes, guys, and as you see my soup having a bit of color. That is what the starter was all about. So now we're just adding our spinners, or whichever size you want to make your dumplings, and the extra food that we're adding to the pot. We're going to stir this and add our yam. I have a piece of yam. I'm going to add my yam as well, and I'll come back further on. So just continue watching, guys. We add corn, we add our fish head, and this is 10 minutes in, and we're going to add our seasoned conch, some pimento seed, our okra, scallion and thyme, season our soup, and allow this to simmer. And the last step we're going to do is add our noodle. So just continue watching, guys, and I'll come back then. But if you are watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please, what are you waiting for? Tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. In that way, you'll never miss another upload. So I'll come back, guys. Okay, guys, we're getting there. Now we add our noodles, and we're just going to stir this well and allow it to boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. In that way, the noodle season can saturate this pot, and then we taste and adjust if needed. And then we let this simmer, and then it's time to serve. But I'll come back when the pot is ready. So here you have it, guys, my seafood mix and conch soup, full of goodies and tastes very good. Yes, I also have a conch soup up already. That was done a couple of years, so this is the updated version, but that was a hit also. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.